Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. This Trail Boss is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Trail Boss, we have the power windows, power mirrors, power locks. We got transmission dial up top, push button 4x4, fog lights, in-bed lighting, as well as the automatic headlights there. A leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls on the other side. Column shifter, push-button ignition. We do have an 8-inch touchscreen for your OnStar navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Wi-Fi hotspot. Dual-zone climate control with heated seats, integrated trailer braking system, USB charging ports, parking sensors on the rear of the truck. We do have the all-black interior here with the dual glove box locking bottom. Bose audio equipment, and then we have our black leather seats up front, which are heated as well. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss Silverado, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, all black rims with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack off-road tires on there, blacked out door handles and window trim, rear tinted privacy windows, keyless entry on the driver's door, remote start and blind spot detection all equipped. Trail Boss does come with the factory 2-inch lift at the front as well, evening out that truck, giving it a bigger stance. Black bumpers to complement the blue paint job, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow hook, hitch, as well as your LED lighting. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready, as well as they do have in-seat storage. Rear sliding window up top with defrost, extra headroom, LED lighting, single pane sunroof up front there. In the back and center console, some USB charging ports. Crew cab truck, tons of room in the back of the pickup. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Trail Boss. If this is your next off-road ready V8 pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.